Hi guys, welcome back to another Swatch with me video, and in today's video I will be swatching the ColourPop Take Me Home eyeshadow palette. So this palette consists of 6 eyeshadows. We have Issues, Sidetrack, French Kiss, Saltwater, Popular Demand, and Bitter Better. This palette comes with your typical mirror up top. And now let's get on with the swatches. Issues, Sidetrack, French Kiss, Saltwater, Popular Demand, and Bitter Better. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this swatch with me video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.